Hi guys, welcome back to your Mandarin class with Miss Chen. Are you ready? Let's go! Today we are going to learn two twin radicals. I call them twins because they look nearly the same. The first one is related to worship. So the original shape of this radical looks like a table from a religious ritual. The second one means cloth. So characters containing this radical are related to clothes. For example, lots of the words we've learned in the clothes topic have this radical, like this character here, trousers, cool. So, can you tell the difference between the twin radicals? Yeah, that's right. The word-shaped radical only has one dot and on the right, but the closed radical has two dots. Make sure to pay attention to this when you are writing. Okay, here's the test for you. We previously learned the stone radical and the wood radical. So today, you need to guess the meaning of these four characters. Guess the meaning and match them. I believe your smart brains will figure that out easily.